Alright, so we made it to Kies MotorSports.
Yeah, cuz.
Hold up, I'm losing my keys. This is Brian's car. I've been following it on YouTube for a while. This thing looks insane. Oh my god, I'm in love with that hood. Damn, Brian, you did really good. Look at that roll cage. That looks so cool. I wonder if they're inside. I'm gonna knock real quick. But damn, the car looks awesome. Huge shout out to Kies MotorSports for installing my springs today. I'm gonna measure my stock ride height right now, and I'm gonna measure it again after we have everything put in. So I'm gonna give it to George. Hold it, George.
Yeah, Doug. Alright, bro. Start measuring this, John. The struggle is real. What you doing there, cuz?
Get this tape measure off.
One eternity later.
Now we're back. Hi.
Alright. How much?
That's the center, right? About 14 and a half. And for the rear we have...
You mean for the front?
Wow. And for the front, I have about 15. So it's supposed to drop
front
an
is
inch.
higher.
Ooh, that's gonna look so good. I hope it clears everything. Because I don't have spacers yet and I don't have new wheels, so I'm hoping it clears it all. Nice. Let's put them like this. It's at least 1 inch, so it's gonna look really good. What do you think?
Normal.
Normal. It means good. Alright, so I just got a little present from Kies MotorSports. They gave me carbon fiber mirrors caps that we're going to be installing in the next video. Super sick, they look awesome.
And they match.
Guys, if you ever want to get, what is this called? Forged carbon fiber mirror caps? Kies MotorSports sells these. These look incredible. I think next year I might switch it up on my car and do this all over my car with the roof. Thanks to this bull. Yo, that was perfect. But yeah, these look awesome. Just look at that. There's no weave. It's just like layered on top of each other, but it looks super good. It's really unique. I like that a lot. And she's done. Let's see. That was good.
No.
Yeah. Nice. Hell yeah. It looks really good now. The springs still have to settle in, but before it was 4-finger gap and now it's 2-finger gap. Once they settle down, I'm pretty sure it's gonna be like 1.5. But right now it's like a little bit less than 2. But it looks so damn good. I'm really happy with this. Bro, it looks so good. Thank you.
Yeah, bro, it's perfect.
Yeah, the rear's perfect. And the front's good. No, it's gonna drop a little bit more, I think.
Over time.
It should settle.
No dá, acho que tipo velocidade. Até dá, dude. I did not go see.
Dude, it looks really good.
Yeah, bro. You wanna get the tape?
Damn. Oh yeah. It's in my trunk.
Can't hear it.
Yeah, an inch.
Nice. Yep. Exactly an inch.
Same. Nice.
So you got an inch immediately? You got an inch immediately?
Yeah, well, from the front, yes. The rear should be 0.75.
That's awesome.
Thank you.
I'm gonna go.
Beautiful calm down too.
I'ma take my horse, old time room. I'm going to ride till I can't no more.
So tell us, bro, what are your final thoughts of these Swift Springs?
Yeah, so we just left Kies MotorSports. We've been driving for half an hour, and we've been going through crazy bumps, and I'm really surprised. These, I honestly would say, feel almost better than OEM. Like, comfort mode is very smooth. Sport mode is a little bit stiffer, and then Sport Plus is actually like really stiff, so it'll be good for track days. But overall, I think it's money well spent, and I'm really happy with these. I'm gonna do a more thorough walk around of these once they settle in to see if it changes the ride quality, but right now, the way it looks and the way it feels, I recommend it. These are definitely best bang for your buck. I chose these over H&Rs because H&Rs on the forum people said were very stiff, and I did not want that. I still want to daily drive this car, so I went with the Macht Schnells, which they said were OEM quality, but at the same time lowers it much more than H&Rs and any other brand. So I'm really happy with these, and I definitely recommend it to you guys. We'll start back up with the video when I get we'll start back up once the next day, yeah, daytime, walk around the car, show you what it looks like, because in the shop I guess it was a little bit too dark. I don't know if I showed it well enough, so I'll do a more thorough walk around and a better review on it.